Hey Sonny here. So I got some new gear. I just want to show it to you. So I've been watching a lot of videos on this amp, and it's the BluGuitar Iridium Edition 100-watt Nanotube amplifier. It's a small package, but it's 100-watt tube amp. It's a real tube amp. It's got nanotube in it. If you go look at some YouTube video, this amp sounds amazing. It can they can duplicate a lot of amps that people play, especially for me, would be 5150 and Mesa Boogie. Those are the two amps I'm trying to duplicate with this amp. In addition to this is brand new. I got it from Guitar Center. I had some certificate, I had some coupons that I used. I got basically I got $260 off in discount for this. Plus a 6 month finance, no interest. If you pay it off in 6 months, there's no interest charge. So that's why I got it through Guitar Center. Ordered yesterday and got it today. I'm going to open it and check it out, see what's inside the box. Brand new box. In addition to that, also got this pedal. This is the BluGuitar Remote1 pedal. Basically, this pedal pairs with the BluGuitar amplifier. I bought this used. If you're going to buy this amplifier, you might want to get this to use it with it, because they don't make this anymore. And so I went ahead and actually buy this too, since it's no longer in production. But if you find it, I would go ahead and get one. I got this used. Go open. Let's check out this pedal first. This foot pedal. And basically, you got master volume, and then you got basically four. You got 5-foot control at the bottom and 5-foot control on the top. As a MIDI out, so you need a MIDI cable with this. In the back of this here is a MIDI cable jack, and then you got the two amplifier. And also it comes with this a nice little booklet on how to use it, manual with this box. So that's the foot pedal. So show you what that is. Remote1 BluGuitar. And once I figure out how to play this, how to use this, maybe I'll make a video of it. And here is the main event. This is a brand new box I just got. In the back you can see it says Nanotube 100-watt. And so let's open the box. And as soon as you open the box, you got a simple quick user guide. And under the quick user guide, you got this thick manual, and it's in color. Very nice pack. I think it's really nice. Full color manual, which we don't usually get this anymore because you have to go online to grab the PDF file yourself. But this amp comes with it, and then BluGuitar 1 sticker. And then we have the power cable, and then we got a little bag that has the amp with it and a little handle. Once you open the bag, let me get this baby right here. It's really light. It's not very heavy at all. And here's the amp. You can see the Nanotube in there. So yeah, this is the AMP1 BluGuitar Iridium Edition 100-watt Nanotube amp. It's a front. Like I said, you can go on YouTube and check it out. And here's the side. There's nothing on this side. And on the other side, you got boost, volume, tone, FX loop, and noise gate on this side. And in the back, we have a MIDI control, speaker, outlet, headphone, record out, and you have a FX return and send, and of course you have the input for the guitar. So this is the BluGuitar Iridium Edition AMP1.